Halfway through 2024, I made the life-changing decision to quit my job, put everything I owned in storage, and answer the question, is there anything out there that can inspire me to escape the hamster wheel of life? Join me on this adventure to see the world. We left Dalat in good spirits and boarded our first VIP cabin sleeper bus, which was a welcome upgrade. We arrived in Hoi An and were immediately greeted with sunny weather and a beautiful room. After a quick swim, it was time to head into town for a cooking class. We started off at the locals market, where we learned about some of the ingredients we'd be using later today. Before the cooking lesson started, we had the opportunity to take a ride in some traditional Vietnamese basket boats. After saying hi to the class kitten, it was time to get started. Today we would be preparing dishes such as claypot catfish, papaya salad, fried spring rolls, and Vietnamese pancakes. We had a great time cooking and an even better time eating. Afterwards, we had time to explore the city and surrounding area. The following morning, we organized a motorcycle rental and set off for Hoi An Pass. On our way out, we stopped by Marble Mountain, where we climbed what felt like 1,000 steps in order to visit temples carved right into the side of the mountain. This mountain is teeming with natural caves, many of which lead to amazing viewpoints. It's hard to convey just how steep these staircases are, but we were running on fumes at this point. Next stop, Hoi An Pass, crossing over the Golden Dragon Bridge in Da Nang. Just over the peak of Hoi An Pass, we took a detour to check out some views. We managed to interact with some local cows and even get off the pavement for a bit. On our way back, we stopped by a beautiful pagoda, where we had to make sure to wear full-length pants to adhere to their dress policies. We finished our stay in Hoi An by attending the Lantern Festival, where we released lanterns into the river while making a wish. Hoi An was probably our favorite stop thus far. See you next time!